Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to log into Slack on your desktop, quick, simple, and step-by-step. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and install the Slack desktop app from slack.com/downloads or open Slack in a web browser. Step 2. Click on Sign In and enter your workspace URL or select your workspace from the list. Step 3. Enter your email and password associated with the workspace, then click on Sign In. Step 4. If prompted, complete two-factor authentication for added security. Step 5. Once logged in, you can access all your channels, direct messages, and workspace files directly from your desktop. That's it. You're now successfully logged into Slack on your desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials.